ultimately, they know the procedures that I, do. We all do things a little bit differently. And so they've also honed in, what they recommend for patients and which surgeon might be a good fit for them of getting them to their reconstructive goals. But it's also a relationship, and it's a long, relationship. They know my personality. They know which patients might mesh well with me versus another plastic surgeon. And so they do refer them over to me accordingly. But yeah, this is like a long-term relationship. Oftentimes when patients are having reconstruction, whether that be, lumpectomy versus, and certainly with mastectomies and implant-based reconstruction, these are lifelong patients that I will want to check in every year or two, because there are procedures moving forward that you have to have those conversations with. Implants are not a forever model. And so you're going to be meeting with these patients every year to 2 years. But ultimately, yes, those surgeons are referring them over to me to start that conversation.